I'll show you the quick and easy way how you can buy crypto on Revolut. So of course, the first thing you have to do is to register on the Revolut app. You'll have to make an account. Either you have to log in or sign up. It depends on what you've done before. If you've made an account on Revolut before, then of course log in with your credential. But if you haven't, then of course you will have to sign up. Now, once you've logged in or signed up, you will be met with this kind of home screen here, right? You'll see a couple of options like accounts, cards, stocks, crypto, vaults, and all of the other things. Now, the first thing you have to do is that you need to make sure that you have a couple of fiat currency, right? Because to buy crypto on the platform, you will need to add a fiat currency onto your account first. Now, if you want to add that, you just have to click on the add money button there. The one with the little orange dot on the corner of it. Now, if you press on that, you'll be directed on how you can add money onto your account. After that, all you have to do is just to buy Bitcoin, right? If you go to the crypto section here, you can see you can buy BTC just like this. You can select what kind of BTC you want and how much you want to buy it for, and then just click on buy BTC with euros. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.